up, homies? I'm here with
Anthony from Go Guns.
Anthony. What do you have for us today, man?
We have miniature die-cast gun models. I got an M1 Garand right here. It has a real leather strap. They're 1/3 scale. Check this out. If you know about the Garand, empty click pings. You can hear this?
Oh, dude, that's cool. Hold tight. I gotta go pick it up. All right.
What's up, guys? How y'all doing?
Yeah, so check us out on GoGuns.com. We got some cool stuff. If you still have a little kid in you, this is gonna bring it out.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm already sold. I was not expecting that, man. That was. I mean, what does it actually shoot? Does it actually shoot?
No,
sure?
so they don't shoot, which is the best part because they're safe. They're California compliant.
But you still have to use firearm safety rules and everything in regards to the actual firearm itself, even if it's a toy.
Trigger discipline, everything.
He's doing it right now. Awesome. Hey, Anthony, I appreciate it, man. Good talking with you. Good seeing you again. Hey, Go Guns.
Absolutely.
GoGuns.com, right?
GoGuns.com. Come check us out.
Hey, that's what's up.